Have you ever felt like you're just going through the motions? Wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat. Your life keeps moving forward, but your heart, maybe it's been standing still for a while. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone, and maybe what you need is a gap year. Now, don't scroll away yet. A gap year isn't just for students backpacking through Europe. It's for anyone who needs to pause, breathe, and reconnect with themselves and with life. That includes professionals, parents, early retirees, you, me, anyone. So, what exactly is a gap year? A gap year is a planned break from formal work, school, or routine. It's a time to reset, to step off the treadmill, to ask yourself not what's next, what do I actually want? Some people take 6 months, some take a full year, some come back with a new career, others with a deeper peace. There's no single way to do it. But if you want to use your gap year wisely, here's how. Number 1, start with a direction. Don't take a gap year just to run from something. Take it to move towards something, even if you don't know exactly what that is yet. Ask yourself, do I want to explore a new interest, learn a language, heal from burnout, find my next step? Set an intention. Even a small one will keep your journey grounded. Number 2, make space to hear your own voice. We live in a world full of noise, notifications, deadlines, opinions. A real gap year gives you time to quiet all that, to journal, to reflect, to sit in silence, and finally ask, what do I really want? Number 3, step out of your comfort zone. Travel somewhere new, meet people with wildly different lives, volunteer, work on a farm, stay in a mountain village, spend time with artists, teachers, healers. You'll start to see there are so many ways to live, and maybe, just maybe, you'll find one that fits you better than the one you left behind. Number 4, record the journey. Not for Instagram, not for clout, but for yourself. Write, film, sketch, talk into your phone, because the version of you that shows up during this gap year might just be the person you've been waiting to meet. Here's the truth. Sometimes we don't need to speed up. We need to stop, to reset, to realign, to remember what it feels like to wake up excited again. And that's the magic of a gap year. It's not a detour, it's the road back to yourself. If you had a gap year, what would you do with it? Tell me in the comments, I'd love to hear. And if you're into life transitions, slow travel, or designing a freer lifestyle, subscribe to the channel. This is just the beginning. Thanks for listening.